Hi, Ivy.
Hi.
Hi, this is Ivy. She's interning at Third Day Soaps Garden, and she's going to be making a water-based body butter with, of course, water, stearic acid, emulsifying wax, shea butter, palm oil, coconut oil, and olive oil. And we have a fragrance here, which we're going to be using is cocoa butter cashmere, and we're going to give it a nice mica color of kind of like a golden shade there. What she's going to do first is she's going to pour her stearic acid into her oils. And she's going to mix slowly with the wooden spoon. Hold that over there, get it all out. Shake the jar, shake the container. Make sure it's all right. Just keep shaking. Okay. Keep stirring as you do that. Okay, I think it's all out. Keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring, keep stirring. I'll take the cup down. Keep stirring. Slowly, don't go too fast. Till you get that all incorporated. Keep stirring, keep stirring. You want a good incorporation with the oils, the stearic acid, and the emulsifying wax. Now, this is a water-based moisturizing body butter. Now, we'll show you what it looks like momentarily when I get ready to do mine. Now, what I need you to slowly do is whisk off the spoon and put it in the clear mixing bowl. And pick up your blender and your comfortable blending hand. And then pour the emulsifying wax, stearic acid, and butters into the water.
Am I blending as I
No, you're not blending as you go. You're just going to pour it in quickly, and then you're going to start blending very quickly. Okay? I'll help you out here. Don't worry, just start blending. Now, this is going to turn into a thick base. Sometimes it turns out thick the same night, but sometimes we let it sit for a couple hours. And she's going to be blending that probably about 10 minutes. Sometimes it gets thick right away. Sometimes we have to just let it sit as it cools off. So you continue to do that for a few minutes. Stop for a minute. Then you blend it with the stick only. No, I'm sorry, with the blender only. Okay. Just move it around with the blender. You intermediately do that for like 3 to 5 minutes, and then you put the mixer on again for 3 to 5 minutes. You understand? Mm-hmm. Okay. You don't scrape the bottom, just stay within the mix. Yeah. Here, like this. Yeah. Yeah. Now this is going to thicken up and turn into a butter. And I wish I had the body butter down here with me, but I left it upstairs. I can show you what it looks like.
I have mine in my purse over there.
I'll go get it.
The little pink one.
Okay. Keep her. Oh. She brought hers with her, so we'll let her find it in her purse. This is one I made earlier in the year. I think it's hibiscus. Okay. You keep stirring, I'll do that. Sorry, I'm shaking the camera, y'all. Dang, girl, you got this thing on here forever.
I know.
I'll show you the consistency of this body butter as soon as I get it off the container. But this is it right here. This is the hibiscus and elderflower body butter that I made myself a few months ago. It has collagen peptides in it. You know, it's good for softer, younger looking skin. And I'll show you what it looks like. What she's making here is going to have this thick consistency here. See, isn't that nice? Yeah. It's almost like a lotion. But we're hoping that this one gets even thicker. But that's how it looks. Smells good too. I'll cap that off for you. Stay over there. Yep. Does it feel like it's getting thicker? No? Okay. It's probably not going to. Okay, now you can emulsify it a little bit more with the blender. And we'll show you what it looks like probably tomorrow. Thank you, Ivy.